Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, we will be talking about how to promote Redbubble products on Pinterest. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's dive right in. Now, in Redbubble, when you create your website, or rather when you create your product, there is an option to share it to different types of social media platforms. One of those is called Pinterest. And to be honest, if you just share a specific product that you have created in Redbubble to Pinterest, it will not look that appealing. It would look so boring and not a lot of people would be attracted to select that item or to select that pin to be redirected to your Redbubble option over here. So what I'm going to do and going to show you guys today is how you will be able to turn your Redbubble product into an amazing Pinterest pin that you could upload and have more clicks and more views than typically using the normal share option in Redbubble. So what we're going to be using in today's video is Canva to create our output. Now, let's start with Canva over here. Simply search for in Canva over here in the search bar, Pinterest. Then click on enter. Then you will be able to see templates that are for Pinterest. As you can see, they will have the size that you want. So simply select a random one. You don't need to choose, or you don't need to pick a specific style. So just choose a random one because we're going to delete the content either way. And over here, there we go. You're simply going to select everything. Click on delete. Now, what you're going to do next is you're going to upload your own product. You're going to take the photo of the product that you have. Of course, for example, let's try if I can download this one actually. Save image as. There we go. I could save it as a JPEG. So for example, this is my product over here. Or actually, let's go with clothing. Let's look for a clothing that we could download instead. For example, let's download this photo over here as a girl. Let's see if we will be able to download it with high quality. Then simply drag it into your Canva over here. There we go. We now have our character over here. And then I'm going to be utilizing a new feature of Canva. Let's try to look for it. It's under this part over here, which would allow us to take our photo over here. Let's click on edit image. Let's see if we will be able to find it. Edit photo, then magic grab. There we go. So simply click on magic grab and then we will be able to get our main character away from the background that it has. So we could move it just like that. So let's remove this background. There we go. We now have this as our main focus over here. So assuming that the product that we are promoting from Redbubble is the t-shirt over here, or this clothing. So let's actually search for a border. So what you're going to be utilizing is the elements over here. Now the elements consist of hundreds and thousands of different styles that you could use to make your output more aesthetic. For example, with what I'm doing here, I'm utilizing parts that I'm finding in our Canva over here on the left side and utilizing it and using it to build some sort of design that would be on our output over here. So let me shrink this one. There we go. Then let's get the color of this one. Let's change the color this so that it is the same color. I think I changed the wrong one. Let's select this one. There we go. Now we have a very simple design over here. Click on elements again. Let's click on this and let's see more like this so that we could view more design that are similar. So for example, we could take this one, then we could simply flip it vertically. There we go. And make it a bit smaller. Go. Now we have some sort of a border for our design over here. It's not that noticeable, but you can see that it is there. So let's zoom in closer so that we can make sure that it is all perfectly aligned. I guess we could crop our photo instead. Just a tiny bit. There we go. So let's settle with this one for now. Now what you could do is you could add backgrounds. So you could click on elements again. So let's say colorful clouds. Now it depends on your ideas, depends on your artistic abilities as well. And depending on the output that you produce, you will be able to produce amazing results. So for example, I could click this, see more like this, then I could put it in the background, just like that. And build your output slowly but surely using the different elements that you're finding in Canva. Let's put it over here. This one, let's delete that one. There we go. Then let's put this one instead. Let's make it bigger. There we go. Then let's add one more effect right here. Then we could simply select this and turn the position behind the back. There we go. Then you could put in some text. Let's click on text over here. There's a lot of different options over here. For example, let's go with this one. Let's turn the font color to black so that we could read it. There we go. And put it below here. Let's delete the other parts of this text, but you could keep them if you want. There we go. Then for this one, the product is, let's just give it a number, or let's give it a name. Eddie Munson. Let's type it over here. Eddie Munson t-shirt. There you go. And you can simply position it to wherever you would like it to be positioned. And you can add more design if you want. But you get the idea that I'm trying to say. And you can add more text over here. Let's ungroup it again. Delete the first part. Let's change the color of this one to black. Then let's say, buy now at Redbubble. There you go. Now you could potentially create better outputs than me. I'm sure that you will be able to do that yourself. But you get the idea that I'm trying to show you. You will be able to utilize a lot of the different elements and text fonts in Canva to build out outputs like this. You can create a better output if you can. This is just a sample. Let's actually go with FX. Let's make it hollow, or let's add something in the background. There we go, something like that. And we can change the color. Like this. There we go. And we can position it. Just like that. Then, for example, let's say this is our output. Let's say this is finished. You can simply click on download. Then download this. There we go. Then go to Pinterest. Simply click on create pin. Upload your photo that you got from Canva over here. Let's wait for it to download. Then you can put in your description over here. So let's say t-shirt. So let's say you could put in some promotional output over here. Eddie Munson t-shirt. Then you could put in the link of your Redbubble product page into this part over here. Then you could promote it only for let's say $99, something like that. Buy now. And you can add some other inspirational text over here. Then you could have this just like that. Then you could add the destination link over here. This is actually where you put the link instead. Then you can simply click on save, and you will be able to publish this pin in Pinterest. And this looks much more interesting than just having the photo as itself be shared in Pinterest, which is what Redbubble would usually do when you share your product in Pinterest using their process and method. But that's basically it. That is how you will be able to promote your products in Redbubble much better. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.